new Wheel of Fortune game comes with everything, except me.
I'll buy a vowel. I.
You got 3 eyes!
We're in the home version.
All new Home Jeopardy!
And the new Wheel of Fortune game.
Don't worry, the home version is when you play a game show at home. Here's Family Feud, the 2nd edition, 3rd edition, 4th edition, 5th edition, 6th edition, 7th edition, and 8th edition. Let's go!
Welcome back to the TWN, where today we've got quite an interesting matchup between Hand 1 and Hand 2. And we're off. So, Hand 1 is trying to bait Hand 2 into attacking, but while Hand 1 is also trying to get Hand 2 under its grip, and it just did for a second, but not for long enough. Hand 2 is playing a better game. Oh, it almost got him. Oh, if only he could keep the grip. Due to complaints about shaking of hands, we're gonna steady the hands, and okay, so Hand 2, oh, Hand 2 has him, and Hand 2 wins!
Hello and welcome to Sierra Vista Life at Home. Today we'll be giving you something fun to do at home, and that is a picnic. And the first thing you'll need is a picnic blanket, or whatever they're called. And the next thing you'll need is some food. And this isn't what you need, but maybe you'll need some beans. Yeah. An orange. A drink to wash down the beans, of course, and another fruit, or whatever the food group is for that stupid thing, and a granola bar for more things. And yes, this was filmed in my washing machine. Hopefully this gives you something fun to do at home. Have a nice day, and have a nice picnic.
Sierra Vista, now school starts at 9 o'clock. We have time to do some working out in the morning. Let's start off with some stretches. You gotta stretch out real good. I like to get a good run in the morning because you can't do miles at school. This is why we need to stretch our legs first. I also work out my core with some moving. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last but not least, I work out, I do some weights. Let's build them biceps.
Today I'll be making a sloth plush. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. In this video, I'll be cleaning out my closet, and this is one of the things you can do when you're bored. So I'm gonna start with this area. So I'm going to clean everything, and then I'm gonna be back with you guys. I am going to go through all this stuff to see if I'm gonna throw away something. So basically in each folder I organized everything, and also I have some things that go in this area, so at the top as well. So this area is now cleaned. Now I'm going to be moving on to this area. So I took everything out and now it's placed over here, but I have some things that I have to clean the box, but now I'm going to clean this all up with cleaning stuff. So now I'm going to be putting my shoes in here, and then I'm going to be putting everything back nicely. So that is put back. So now I'm going to be moving on to this area. So I took all of this out, and so now I'm going to be cleaning this area with the cleaning stuff. I am going to be reorganizing everything in this. So now when I finish, I'm going to be putting everything back in here. Okay, so I put everything back, and this is how it looks. Now I'm going to be reorganizing everything here. So I actually took out this stuff, and now I'm going to be cleaning this area. So now I'm going to be reorganizing or seeing the stuff that I might be keeping or not. So I finished reorganizing everything, so now I'm going to be putting everything back in here. Okay, so I'm done with doing all of this. Now I'm going to be doing this section. So now I'm going to be cleaning up everything here. So I finished putting everything back, and I decided to put my laundry basket up there.
Hello and welcome back to another origami tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami piano. First, you start with the house from last week. Once you made the house, you fold the middle part up so it looks like this. Once you do that, fold down the top about a fourth of the way down, and then you crease it. Then you fold these sides into the middle, and then once you do that, you fold it halfway, and then pull this down, and there you have it, your origami piano.